Hello friends, I'm going to discuss a clinical based question on electrolyte imbalance. Today's question is definitely a rank number one question about which most of students are not aware. The question is, which of the following changes in strong ion difference is most likely to produce metabolic acidosis? Increase in SIED due to loss of chloride. Option B, increase in SIE due to sodium gain. Decrease in SIAD due to chloride infusion. Increase in SID due to acetate metabolism. Well, you take time, read the question again, see the option, and if you need more time, you can stop the video, and after doing the question, write the answer in your copy, and then you proceed further to see the discussion. Well, the answer to this question is decrease in SIED due to chloride infusion. Let's do a discussion. So I told you it's a rank number one getting question. Only few people know about this concept. Or usually this is not taught in the classes. What is strong ion difference? It is sum of strong cations minus sum of strong anions. So the formula is sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium minus chloride and lactate. Point to be noted here, bicarbonate is not included in this formula. Why? I'll tell you in the coming slides. Now, in this sodium and chloride, they are the one which contribute the maximum because their value is far more than others. With this background of simple formula, we move further. Normal SID is 40 to 42 milliequivalent, and this is essential to maintain the normal blood pH, which is 7.36 to 7.44. Well, basic concept, a decrease in SID causes metabolic acidosis, while an increase in SID causes metabolic alkalosis. Well, to explain it to be much better, when we give large volume normal saline, when we give large volume normal saline, 0.9%, this lead to increased plasma chloride disproportionately. This is the most important word. What is this? This you will never understand unless you know the basic concept. So we all know the normal serum sodium is around 135 to 145, but for easy calculation I am taking 140. 140 is the sodium. Chloride, again I am taking average value of 100. But in the normal saline, sodium is 154, chloride is 154 milliequivalent per liter. So when we are giving large volume saline, that means there is 154 sodium and already 140. So sodium will rise, but not much because the difference is very less of only 14. But here there is a difference of 54. So when we are giving normal saline, the amount of chloride entering the blood is much more than as compared to sodium, as compared to two values which are going to change. Chloride value will change much more. The chloride level will increase, so that will definitely going to reduce the metabolic acid SID and causing metabolic acidosis. So excess chloride reduces the SID because the difference between strong cation and strong anion becomes smaller. I hope you remember formula was sodium, calcium, magnesium, potassium minus chloride, lactate, alpha lactate. So when we are giving large amount of this in chloride, so definitely SID is going to decrease. A lower SID requires increase in hydrogen ion concentration to maintain electrical neutrality, resulting in metabolic acidosis, because when chloride will increase, so definitely bicarb will reduce automatically. Okay. So increased chloride, so it lead to what? Hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis. This condition known as hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis, so-called normal anion gap metabolic acidosis. Again, to make your concept very clear about it, when we talk about anion gap, sodium minus chloride plus bicarbonate. Some of the books, they include potassium here also, but majority of the time it is only sodium, potassium is not included. So when we are increasing the chloride, bicarb will automatically get reduced. So that will produce hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis. Serum bicarbonate falls secondary to increase in chloride, not because of increase in organic acids. This type of acidosis is commonly seen in large volume saline resuscitation in critically ill patient or surgical patient. The basic concept of anion gap and SIAD formula is essential to understand this topic. Decreased SIAD usually due to increased chloride or increased lactate because of formula. Metabolic acidosis because of H ion concentration increases. Increased SIAD due to chloride loss or relative sodium gain. Metabolic alkalosis because H ion concentration decreases. So last minute revision point, decreased SIAD means metabolic acidosis, increased SIAD means metabolic alkalosis. We upload a free clinical based question test daily at 9 p.m. on our app. Please download Dr. Bhatia Academy app. Go to Smart Medicine section. Look for tests. For any query, please contact my staff. Please, you can click the photo also, save in your phone. If you have any query about the question of the day or topic or any other academic query, you can send your concern to the number given in the previous slide. That is the number of my staff. They will pass on your query to me. Plus, don't forget to write your name and college. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video.